Hi guys, you've joined Dean from Binary Option Alliance, and today we're going to be executing a live trade on the Aussie USD currency pair. Okay, so we're analyzing the market. We've been analyzing the market and we've seen that the market is in an upwards direction, right? You can easily tell that by seeing which way the market has gone for the last couple of days. Alright, so market's heading in an upwards direction and we're looking to place a trade appropriately into the market in order to gain profit. Okay, so we'll just draw a couple of trend lines on which, as you can see there's a solid trend line there forming, which should be a support line for the price to come down to and not go below for a while. Okay, on the 30-minute chart, what we see is the price has been setting new highs consistently for the whole day now, and it's just reached a new high of 78,433. Okay, so that's potentially our target. Okay, and if we drop down to the 15-minute chart, you can see that that it's already broken through our trend there, and we should be looking towards an upside position longer than 15 minutes. Alright, we'll draw a similar trend line on the 30-minute chart to show you that it hasn't crossed over. Or see, even on that candle, see it's still hovering around the support there. We'll use the top of that one. We could go there. As you see, even there, it still hasn't quite come through. Or we should be going in soon, as the copper curve indicator suggests. Alright, now we're going to get into something intense, guys. This is the 1-minute chart. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so we've had a break in our trend line here, and the market's indicated it wants to go upward in an upwards direction. It's in a bit of a sideways situation right now, but if we bring back our indicators, not that one, this one, and this one, you can see it's coming from a low, and it's going to continue to come up. Hopefully, nothing is set in concrete, but if we use techniques accordingly, we can certainly profit. Okay, so we're not looking for an entry on the 1-minute chart just yet. What we'll be doing is looking for a crossover on the copper curve here on the 30-minute chart, and then we'll be going into a 30-minute position. Okay, just ignore the rest of the stuff, guys. Okay, as you can see, we're getting pretty close. It's wanted to cross over for a while now, and it's just a waiting game. If it doesn't cross over, if it bounces or something else gives me the indicator that we shouldn't be going into the market, we'll certainly not go in. So on the 15-minute chart, it's indicating a downward direction, but this chart can swing back and come back up within 15 minutes. That next crossover will be the crossover between these two here, and then we'll look into a position in the market. Alright guys, just wanted to bring you back in to see what's just happened. The market has fell heavily, indicating that we will not be positioning ourselves into an upward position. As you can see, the copper curve has been shied away from the blue line, from the moving average, and we've had a major dip in the market just then. Alright, as you can see, it's forming to the solid support lines we drew, staying within those boundaries, and so we won't be positioning ourselves into the market currently until price action dictates that we're going to be heading strongly towards the upside. This usually means a recovery position, so I'm predicting a sharp increase soon. So what we'll do is we'll get in on a 5-minute position quickly. I'll log in. So we're on the Aussie currency, RZ USD. Go for 5 minutes. I'm on there. And we'll get in. Instantly in the money. Instantly out of the money. High intensity trading, guys. Let's follow this trade. As you can see, we probably got in close around here, and within the next 5 minutes we're looking at a sharp increase, or an increase at least. Okie dokie. Switch over back to our broker platform, Boss Capital, and we've still got 4 minutes left, and I don't think this has reached the bottom yet. Falling quite heavily. It's looking good for me. And that recovery is usually quite strong. As you can see, we should be onto the recovery any moment now. This is obviously a news release. Yeah, nothing looks like it should be affecting too much right now, so we'll just hold this trade. We're a little bit tight on video time, guys, so what I'll do is actually pause the video. As you can see, we'll be quite comfortable in the expiry. Should see a recovery soon. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video and you guys can rejoin me closer to expiry. You've just joined Dean again. As you can see, we've had a nice steady recovery towards our entry point, and we're 23 seconds towards expiry, and we're looking pretty good. I'll just show you where I got in the market. A little bit down there, and we know that the market's going to pull back up because of such a severe drop. Alright, we'll just watch that trade come in. 3 seconds till expiry. That was a loud noise. Anyway, we're done for today. We've secured $335 profit for today, and that was high intensity trading. Spent all day analyzing indicators and looking for the position into the market. We're grateful that you guys could join us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next training lesson. Alright guys, this is Dean Evans signing out. Happy trading.